That's right. I spend $127,200 a year to make myself and you a better investor. How do I do it? I do it through a Discord. I pay gurus $6,000 a year for their best information. I pay someone to go through it and sort it and feed me the fruits of their labors. Yesterday, I introduced you to Mark, and I pay Mark to go through and find me investments that I can swing trade in bad markets, good markets. I have realized that this is a team sport. And I need to build a community, what I call my tribe. I ask them for advice. They then share their knowledge with me. I share my knowledge with them. And we put that $127,200 to good use to make us all better investors. And if you want to be a part of it, I'd be happy to share with you how it all works. I'll do that right after I tell you I'm not your financial advisor.
Best of Us Investors presents Carrie Griegmeyer.
What I'm describing to you is not something that I invented. I merely copied. What I did was copy the business structure of a hedge fund. What a hedge fund does is gather together talent, people that are smart in what they do. They put together the best technology they have, and then they sell to investors on a 2 and 20 basis. That is, they charge a 2% management fee, and then they take 20% of the gains that they produce from the profits that they make off of investing their clients' money. So all I have done is bring it to the internet age, and that is to say, to bring people together, pay for the guru's information, bring talented people together, and organize them in such a manner that I can then make myself a better investor and at the same time offer it to other people that in this case don't have to be accredited investors or just interested investors. And then what I do is present that information through our Discord. Now, do I charge for it? Yeah, because I want to be reimbursed for my efforts. And what we do is we have 3 different levels that people can come into, if you want to call it, our tribe or our hedge fund, and get access to the information. What information do they have? Well, for $4 a month, they can basically come in and just communicate with other people, gather a knowledge from other people, and create a community. For $10, they get access to my long-term investment portfolio. And then they also gain access to our Friday stock calls, where we sit down and talk and discuss situations and learn from each other. For $60, we then make this hedge fund, if you will, activity available. And that is, you get access to the guru's information. You get access to Mark and his swing trading information, and you learn as we all grow together. Let me just share with you the advantage or the quality of the information you would get from Mark's swing trade. Here is a 4-month scorecard. And you can see on this scorecard exactly what the performance was over those 4 months. As you can see, if you would have bought 100 shares of each of the trades that Mark suggested, in July, you would have made $995 for your $60 investment. In August, you would have made $3,264 for your $60 investment. In September, you would have lost $312, and in October, you would have made $1,130 for a total over the 4 months of $5,077 for a $240 investment. At what level you participate is totally up to you. Now, what I would suggest you do is do what I do. Separate this from your normal investments, from your normal brokerage account, so you can track it on a monthly basis and say, am I getting my $60 worth or aren't I? And how much do I really want to invest in this and how much time and effort do I want to put into it. So what I've done is open up a Moomoo account. Why do I use a Moomoo account? It gives me the ability to access my trading account on Moomoo wherever I am, whether I'm on vacation, whether I'm out to lunch, and I can access it. That's how it works. To again put it in perspective, it's your personal hedge fund. But you don't have to be an accredited investor. You don't have to have $1 million to get in. I would suggest you're going to have at least $2,000 in order to make the returns pay for the fee that we charge to share in our $127,200 expenditure to get you this information. Take a look at it. Come to the Discord, follow through, see exactly what we have to offer, and see if you're interested in joining a community, our tribe. Whether it's our tribe or someone else's, I just believe this is the smart way to invest in 2022 and going forward. All right, that's what Best of Us Investors is all about. That's what Kerry Grinkmeyer is all about. I'll talk to you again tomorrow.